So it's been about a month since we met at Larmas, and as promised, I am sending out the video links, the very links we use to make the chrysalis kits with our students. The only thing is that the kits that you've received are a little bit different, so I've had to change a little bit. So if you're watching something in the video that doesn't quite make sense with what you're hearing, because some of our kids have done other sewing projects that they had some of the tools, but I've included, actually let's just go through what's in here and then I'll talk about it as we go. So in your kit, if you haven't already, you can open it and explore it with me. So first thing you'll see are some papers. There'll be 2 in there, which are templates. So this one is a butterfly and a leaf template. So you will choose the one that you like, and you will use that shape to cut your felt out. So pick out your favorite butterfly shape, pick out your favorite leaf shape. If you have a different one you'd like to use, you can do that, but make sure they're just this size, otherwise they won't fit in your pouch correctly. And this is your chrysalis template. So what you're going to do is pick out the shape you like for this, cut it out on a black line, and just set it aside. And we'll cut our felt out together. The chrysalis template, also cut out both pieces of paper and then set it aside, and we'll use these as our patterns. You'll have a piece of felt about yay big. Some of them might be square, some of them are about this size, and that's for your chrysalis pieces. So this will be the color of your chrysalis pouch. You will lay out the template on here and then either trace it with a marker or pen, cut out your pieces, and then they'll be ready to be sewn after that. Then there'll be a color of thread to use for your stitching around your chrysalis and for the little hanger. Every kit is different, so every color is a little bit different. There'll be 4 pieces of little felt. These are your leaves, and there'll be a color that will be for your blanket stitch around your leaves and to hang them. In this little bag, you will have the yarn to make your caterpillar, your flower with some thread to sew on a center. So that little yellow you'll cut into a circle and stitch that on. This will be your butterfly wings, your butterfly body, and the thread to assemble that. And you'll just follow the instructions, follow the links in order, like we did. When it comes time to stitching your body, my kids already had a rounded body, so just go ahead and round off your edges to make a nice butterfly shaped body. My kids also already had a cutout circle, but just cut out a circle of yellow felt that's going to fit in the center of your flower. Just go ahead and do that. And you'll also have, in this little pouch, I only had to give them one needle with a large eye because they already had a beading needle. So you'll see 2 needles in your pouch. One will be larger, and that's what you'll be able to fit your 6 strands of floss in. So you'll just flatten out the edge and you'll be able to thread it into the larger eye. The smaller needle is a beading needle, and the eye is very narrow so it can fit into your beads. Some of these larger needles, we weren't able to put our little eggs on our leaf, so use the smaller needle when it comes to the bead work, and maybe even sewing on the button depending how large your other needle is. I think that explains the differences between the kits. I'll send the links and just follow them in order, just like they are. Thanks.